Hi, I'm Laksh. I went for a Pune trip and I visited Clapstore. It was very nice toys for kids, screen free. The founders are Yash Bhaiya and Vedant Bhaiya. But I could only meet Vedant Bhaiya because Yash Bhaiya was on work. I gave my lot of ideas to Vedant Bhaiya and he gave me lot of ideas. Like I told the RGB board where kids can control and adjust the brightness, the color, that. And he told that we are okay, that idea is good. Our idea is like with the switches like that. I met the marketing team and it was nice. The marketing thing was like excellent. They were asking my YouTube channel, my Twitter. I also stay connected with them. We went to the factory and it was like there were huge machines and it was nice. I saw the wood cutting machine, I saw a laser cutting machine and a sanding machine. Like it was very good, nice. I learned a lot from the machines. I asked Vedant Bhaiya, I'll assemble my own board and he told okay, go ahead. First, let's begin. We have to check the food quality is something the wood coming, the wood is quality is not nice, not sanded, then we can check. If it is good, select it and go ahead. Second step, check the board, the PCB board quality. We'll connect the buzzer, a switch, two switches and a speaker. Turn on the power, okay? Then turn on the other two switches. If we keep the pin in this, like Jupiter, it will do Jupiter. If the LED is coming from the Jupiter light, it's okay. Now we can continue, go ahead. Not only Jupiter, we have to check all the planets, Sun also. We can take the board and go ahead. Okay. So we will connect all the components on that. LED is already fitted. We have to just keep the speaker, the switches, then the charging port. Yeah. After that, we have to go and check again. If after we keep the new components, we have to check it again if it is working or not. If it is working, we can go ahead. After going ahead, we have to glue it, the board to the speaker on that. After that, we'll go and we'll check again is something wire loose or not. If it's okay, we'll keep the cover, screw it, and yeah, board is ready. Yeah, I made my own board. He gifted me that, and it's my own board. Yeah. The team was very nice. I met the team. They loved me. I loved them. The Clapstore were like very screen-free toys. It was like kids. It's like helping kids learn, and also I loved all the people. Yeah. Then the Clapstore, very good luck to you. I wish very good luck.
We take it from there, like packaging box there, back there.
Oh, ये वाला मैंने use किया.
हाँ, तो हम इधर यूज करते हैं.
ऐसे लगा के यूजर लगाएंगे.
Yes.
लगा ना एक पेपर. Clapstore is very good.